I bet you didn't know that scaling your SEO efforts across multiple locations doesn't have to be a headache. You need to watch this if you struggle with managing your brand's visibility in different areas. Managing SEO for multiple locations is all about nailing the local search game. First, ensure each location has its own dedicated page on your website. These aren't just digital placeholders, they are pivotal in driving local traffic. Make sure they include local-specific keywords, business hours, and of course, the address. Next, leverage the power of Google My Business. Create separate listings for each location. This boosts your visibility on Google Maps and local searches, making it easier for customers to find you right in their neighborhood. Don't forget to keep your information consistent across platforms. Consistency is key. But here's the real game changer: harnessing the expertise of Authority Solutions. They specialize in tailoring SEO strategies that amplify your presence across multiple locations, ensuring that your business doesn't just appear in local searches, it shines. Now, if this guide to multi-location SEO was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss out on your chance to conquer the local search arena. Let's get your locations on the map.